Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your heated washer nozzles in the newly refreshed 2023 Kia Soul. I have in front of me here an EX Plus in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the washer nozzle location is right here just underneath the edge of the hood. Sorry I didn't get a chance to get this car clean, but that's where they're located. And when you go to use the washer fluid, in the Soul, when you pull the arm towards you, it's going to activate your front fluid. When you push the arm away from you, it's going to activate the rear fluid. So when the temperature hits 5 degrees Celsius or under, and you go to use your washer fluid, your heated washer nozzle... Ruined it. Your heated washer nozzles automatically activate to warm your washer fluid for when you need it, just to help you de-ice a little quicker or stop the buildup of snow or ice on the outside of the windshield while driving. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching.